Okay, thanks, model. This is Saiful from JoyID. Uh, our project is a Web3 wallet, which is targeting the mass adoption future. And we mainly focus on two problems. The first one is the Web3 UX is too complicated to use for the majorities. And the second problem is applications are too far from the average people. If you look into the top 100 application in App Store, there are a few applications about finance. Most of them are about social, utility, or entertainment. So currently, the applications in crypto world is DeFi, NFT, something like that. So we are targeting to solve these two problems. First part is about our mind-blowing UX. I will give you a short demo. Meanwhile, you can scan this QR code on your cell phone to experience yourself. Okay, I will share my screen. Yeah, this is my cell phone. Hope you can see it. And let's create a new wallet. Less than 10 seconds. Next. Press my fingerprint. And again, press my fingerprint. Our algorithm requires two signatures. So that's it. You have created a new Web3 wallet, and it supports compatible chains and Bitcoin in the future and other chains. And also collectibles, receive and send, and basically, we also support Nostr keys. And uh, your private key is generated and stored in your secure enclave. It supports both Apple, Android, and Windows Mac OS system. And if you lost your phone, you just log in buy a new phone and log in with your iCloud account or Google account, and you can say this passkey supported, and you can recover your account immediately. Yeah, let's stop the. And, let's continue. Okay, well, secure because, like I said, the private key is stored in the secure chip. It's on every modern devices, from your cell phones to laptop or desktop, and it's by default we enable passkey sync, which use Google accounts and iCloud to sync your passkeys and multiple devices sync. If you have one Windows phone and a Windows desktop and one Android phone, they cannot sync with a Google account or iCloud. But you can add more than one devices to one to map to your account. So if you lost one of them, you can recover your account with another device. JoyID is Web3 native. Why? Because firstly, we are smart contract centric. Everything you are connecting and manage your devices, manage your keys are based on smart contract, not as any centralized parties. And secondly, it's non-custodial. All your private key, all the shards of your private key are kept in your devices. None of them are kept in some centralized servers. And this is self-sovereign. You can control yourself everything, and it's decentralized. Even if you cannot access our website or web services, you can still access your account because the private key is just in your device, and the smart contract is there on the blockchain. And we use key derivation technology that enable us to support any chains. So we are chain agnostic. And it's permissionless. You don't need API keys to access our service. You just use us like how you use MetaMask. You needn't to sign contract with us. You just call our API or SDK, you can access with your users' private key and under their authentication. And we're also independent from Web2 services, although we rely on iCloud or Google service to recover your account. But if you connect your account with one more devices, you can get rid of them. And all our services is independent from email account or cell phone account. So that's why we call ours Web3 native. You can use anywhere, including cell phones, desktop, and any browsers, and also used for Web2 login or Web3 wallet or even DWeb connection. We support Nostr. In the future, we will support IPFS and Lightning Network. Here's a simple comparison between ours and MPC and AA 437 solution. MPC is not real decentralized. It's partial decentralized. Your shard is controlled by centralized services, and they are not free for use. They charge fees for every active users, and they are not migratable. And the AA 437, they didn't really they don't really solve the private key problem. They only solve the private key recovery problem. So you still need a EOA account to combine with AA account. So for every dimension, JoyID is the best choice. And our target is to become the future super app in the Web3 world. For now, the super app, the Web2 super apps, they control all your data, assets, identity in their centralized servers. But in the Web3 world, all your private data, assets, identity are kept in the decentralized services. And the only access method to connect this data is use your private key, and JoyID will be the private key management. And with JoyID, you access all your on-chain or decentralized stuff. Skip this. So our service, this is our technology. We have a dedicated AA account for multiple devices, multiple keys integration and authentication. After that, we have a special technology. We call it signature transform. We can transform the passkey signature into K1 signature, and with this, you can use your passkey signature for Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any chains. And we provide great services stack SDKs, and I will show you another demonstration. Yeah, we just released our Telegram SDK for Telegram mini app integration. Telegram mini app is kind of like a 小程序 in WeChat, and you can see here, this is a Telegram mini app. Connect the wallet, jump to our wallet web page, and confirm immediately. The mini app gets the user's address and some message, fingerprint, and jump back. It gets the signature. So with this SDK, with our services, the dApp developers can simply integrate their dApps with Telegram, with potentially 800 million Telegram users. And yeah, that's it. This is our contact. If you are interested, no matter the investment or collaboration, let's talk together. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks, Cypher, for the presentations. And now we'll have Joan to ask one question for the JoyID team.
Oh, this is Hugh from YBB Capital. I think John is like uncomfortable today, so I just ask a question for him. Uh, does Joy ID support EIP 720, allowing structured data to be presented more clearly during the sign process? Is there anyone can hear me?
Yes, we can hear you.
Do I need to repeat?
Yeah, I think Siphon, you need to step. One more step. Yeah.
How about now? You
Yeah.
hear me?
Can hear you. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Uh, we just start our mainnet version in 3 weeks. We have a lot of new features to add. So definitely we will support more standard, but maybe in 1 or 2 months we will support the standard you mentioned. Yeah.
Okay, so and if the browser to log in like a new wallet or something,
Mm-hmm.
it's like web page shows data is if it's lost will be case to the wallet to be lost.
Mm-hmm. No, of course not, because our private key is not kept in the web browser environment. It's kept in your secure enclave. I think secure enclave is a dedicated chip in your device, including Windows, Mac OS, Android, and iOS. There is a dedicated uh, 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 chip to store this data. It's via the Apple Pay data stored. So if your web page, if you reset your web page storage, your login information will be lost, but you can recover it on your own phone without any third party help. So you can try it yourself. You create one JoyID account and clear your browser cache and log in with passkey. You will get a list about your JoyID account. Select one and then you can log in again. Yeah.
Okay, so it's like a multi-security for my own creation account, and another is from my like
Mm-hmm.
maybe my like single phones sign,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
I see. Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's my question.
Thank you.